All the cooking videos which I do are done under adult supervision. If you're a child or don't know how to cook, ask an adult for help. Hi guys, welcome to Lousy. So today we're going to be making pancakes with the Pillsbury pancake mix. It's a classic flavor and everything's included in the pack, so all you need is milk. And we're going to use honey, mangoes and bananas for garnishing. Not the that's just for decoration. So I'm gonna take 2 scoops of this pancake batter. Okay, and we're also going to need to pour in some milk.
Pour.
Now you have to mix it, and also it's raining cats and dogs right now. Take a pan and heat it up so that the pancakes come out easily, but don't let them burn. When you see bubbles coming up, it means that it has good consistency. When it looks like a golden brown, it means it's ready. So here's how our first pancake looks. I'm gonna make some more with this leftover batter and add a little bit of butter to make it fluffier. So again, when you see that there are bubbles on it, it means the consistency is really good. So we added some mangoes, bananas and a dollop of butter on it. So now we're gonna add in some honey for the taste. Let's start tasting now. So here is our pancake with mango. Let's taste it. It tastes amazing, guys. Try this thing out. I'm gonna finish this now.